Hello friends, today we are going to study types of inheritance in C Sharp. I am Smile and this is the continuation of our last video of introduction to inheritance. So we will go forward in this video. There are mainly four types of inheritance in C Sharp: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. So I will discuss in this video on single inheritance. Single inheritance. In single inheritance, a new class is created from only one parent class, or we can say that a class has only one parent class. It means that in inheritance, we can have a number of classes as a parent class for for the derived class, but this is not correct because the current class is having only immediate parent class. Like I'm having I'm having here class B, its immediate parent class is class A. So it means that a class is derived from only one class, so it is called single inheritance. Single inheritance can be done by using class or interface. Means a derived class can have an interface or any one class as a parent class. In case of C sharp, we can have a parent class. We can do inheritance from the single class, or it can be an interface. But in case of interface, we call it as we are inheriting a class from the interface. But in that case, we have to implement the interface in the derived class. Means we have to define all the methods of that declared methods of the interface in the derived class. Now let us discuss on syntax of single inheritance here. First is access specifier, then class keyword here, derived class name which we are creating. Here colon is showing that we are performing the inheritance, and parent class name contain the parent class name, or it may be any interface. Example here, public is the access specifier, class is the class keyword, class B is the derived class name. We are inheriting it from parent class A, that is class A. So as you can see in the figure, the class A is the parent class and class B is the derived class which we are creating from class A. Now we will see this scenario in our Visual Studio. So here in Visual Studio, we are having class A. It is the parent class. It contains a method add two numbers. And here we are having class B. We have created by inheriting class B. Class A from, we are inheriting class B from class A. And in class B, we are having subtract two numbers. So this method will subtract the two numbers and return the subtraction. And in class A, we are having add two numbers. It will return the addition of the two numbers. Now in the program.cs class, here I have created the object of class B. So in here, single inheritance will happen and it will contain both the methods add two number and subtract two number, because when inheritance happens, all the public members of the parent class are become the members of the child class also. Now here I am asking for the first number. The first number will be stored in first number variable. Here it is again asking for the second number and it will be stored in the second number. In addition, it is the variable which we have defined. It will contain the return addition from this add two numbers. Here b dot add two number we can do here. So it is because inheritance happened and now add two numbers has become the member of B class object. First number and second number, it is returning the addition. So it will be stored here and will be printed on the screen. Similarly, in subtraction equal to B dot subtract two number. This subtract two number is purely the member of B class. So it is object. So we can call from B class object dot B dot subtract two numbers, and subtraction is coming and it will be printed on the screen. Now we will see the output, whether it is coming right or not by running this program. As you can see here, it is asking for first number. I have entered 10. It is asking for the second number. I have entered 25. Now the result addition of two number is 35 and 10 minus 2, 25 equal to minus 15. So it is performed as expected. Inheritance is successfully happening. So this was the example of inheritance. And at the last, I want to say that please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.